Priyanshu, we'll start quickly. Can you introduce yourself so that we will proceed with the technical part?
So my name is Priyanshu Singh. I am currently in fourth year pursuing BTech in computer science from Techno International Newtown, Kolkata.
Okay. So, have you done any internship during your college?
No, sir, I have not got any opportunity to do internships till now.
Okay.
But
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So, which skills do you like have?
So I have made a couple of projects on Next.js, React, JavaScript,
Okay.
these these full stack, the modern full stack uh,
Can you
sites.
explain me what is React?
So React is an just an I will explain it as an advanced version of JavaScript. Like the DOM manipulation in JavaScript was
Okay.
very much tedious to handle. So the developers at Facebook thought that it would be a good opportunity to create an application that would ease that task. So
Okay.
it helps in dynamic rendering. Like when the site is rendered, the entire website when there is certain changes on that page, the entire site need not be refreshed, but just only the part that has been changed can be refreshed. So it React also helps in that.
Okay. You mentioned DOM manipulation. What is exactly that?
So it is the use of JavaScript to change the static pages on the web pages.
Okay. And there
So
are
it,
concepts in React, props,
so,
state, and hooks. Are you
yes, sir.
aware of that concept?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me about that?
So states are changing objects. Like if there is a particular part on a website that changes, like the username, it like the username changes, so the use state helps in changing that part.
Okay.
um,
And
was
what
able to
about what are the hooks?
so I'm not aware of the hooks.
Okay. Are you aware of any backend language? Like, are you Node.js aware of Node.js concepts?
Yes, sir, I worked on Node.js.
Okay. What is event loop in Node.js?
So event loop is the
Okay. Tell me what is package.json? Okay. What is npm? Can you hear me, Priyanju?
sorry, sir, it was my internet.
Okay. Okay. No issue. Just please go ahead.
So I was explaining package.json, I guess.
Yes. Yes. Please go ahead. What is that?
Package Package.json contains all the files or tools that are being used in that particular site development of that site. Like it can have the versions of TypeScript, like the dependencies to create that project.
Okay. And like you are aware of Mon full stack, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me how front end communicates with the back end with this reference Mon full stack?
So the backend, so when we write REST APIs on the backend, we try to fetch it on the front end using async await functions like fetch, which
So can
uses
we
the
say using HTTP request?
yes, sir.
And what is REST API?
REST APIs are used for like the CRUD basic CRUD operations like create, update, delete, read to change the backend, like the backend of the website.
Okay, last one. Let's suppose I'll assign you one project during your internship, and tell me
Yes, sir.
how do you handle authentication and how do you manage errors?
Okay, sir. Oh, okay. So probably I'll develop the front end first because that helps me in getting the view of the user, the login page, and then I'll start with the backend where I will use first I'll set up the database, then set up the backend file where the backend will be linked with the database, and at the backend I will use app.post, app.get, all sorts of that request to create user or with a particular email name and password, and store it in the database. And if the user tries to log in, we'll check the credentials using that. For extra security, we can use Zord. That's how I'll proceed with the authentication part.
Can you tell me about yourself so that we can proceed in a technical part?
Yes, sir, sure. I am Anand Kumar Sinha and I am from Bihar. Recently, I have completed my graduation from Chandigarh University with an aggregate CGPA of 7.8. And I started my programming journey with C and C++ and solved ample amount of coding question on platform like LeetCode and JFG. And even I got interested in web development where I have learned technical skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js for building the user interface. And in the backend development, I have learned Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. Even I have also completed an internship in the field of Zoho developer. In the free time, I love to play cricket and watch movies. This is all about me, sir.
Okay, perfect. When did you pass out?
2025.
2025. After that, have you done any internship?
Yes, sir, of 3 months.
Okay, that is paid or unpaid?
That is paid stipend. They have provided me stipend of like.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Let's start with some technical part. As you mentioned, you are aware of MERN stack, that is React, Node.js. You're aware of that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me what is closures in JavaScript?
Closure is a property in JavaScript. Like if we have function like two of the functions where the inner function have the capability of accessing the variable of the outer functions. Suppose if there is a function A and we have declared a function B inside that function A, and we have declared a variable inside the function A, and if we are trying to access that variable inside the function B, so that can be done with the help of closure. It is like a property of like important property of JavaScript.
Okay, and what is hosting?
Hosting is like a phenomenon in JavaScript where we can access the variable even before declaring it. Like in different phenomena, like we have latent const, where they are hosted differently compared to where since latent const were introduced in the year 6, so they cannot be hosted because they are in temporary dead zone. I think we are, until and unless we are going to define some of the value to it, so it is going to give a reference error. But the where part can be hosted since it is hosted differently compared to latent const. It is hosted in a global state, so we can like we have declared uh, like we have put console log at the top of the since JavaScript read the code from top to bottom. So we have declared the code console log at the top and declared the var a equal to 3 at the bottom. So it is not going to give us the error, but in the latent const it is going to give us the error since it is not hosted.
Okay, so have you worked on React, any project related to React?
Yes, sir. I have worked upon React project, like multiple project.
Okay, can you explain me one of that projects? What is exactly your role in that?
Yes, sir. I try to started learning React since JavaScript has very much of problem. So move to React since it solves various problem like single page application. It has it we can easily manage our application since it is very user friendly. Also, we can simply write all the JSX inside the React. The project which I built was like a food ordering website. So I try to use the Swiggy API part directly, but somehow due to course error, it has given me the like error which comes like course error. We cannot simply access any other website API directly. So I try to make a JSON API by myself in the form of array and try to display to the into the home page. So it where will be a list of card, it will be going to show into the home page to the user. So try to add few of the basic functionality like filtering features. So user can filter the card on the basis of price or food category section like veg or non-veg. So try to make the card clickable also. So whenever the user click the card, it is going to open in a new web page in an accordion manner where list of card will be there. So it has a button also. So whether user can add that card into the add to cart page, and it has been done with the help of like a Redux toolkit. So these are the basic functionality which I've included. The advanced features which I have included, like a toggle theme, whether the user can change the theme according to their preference. And since few of the I have tried to replicate other food ordering website into my website, so these are the same basic things which I implemented. But somehow I tried to implement a unique features like by myself, use online status. So it is going to show whether the user is connected to the internet or not. So if as soon as the user get disconnected to the website, so it is going to show that the user is offline. So these are the features which I have included. Uh, but yes, sir. This is
Okay.
all. Okay.
So from React, have you worked on Node.js, any backend language?
Yes, sir. I have worked in like Node.js, Express.js for building the REST API.
Okay.
Even even
How do you manage errors?
uh, sir, errors can be managed like we have to read the errors effectively, and if we are not so it is like a debugging part. So we have to break down the code into the modular pattern and distribute like whether the error is coming. And there are different websites where we can read the error. Since everything, if any of the error comes, definitely it can be find into the internet. Like Stack Overflow is the best example. Right now different AI tools has also come to solve the problem. But first of all we have to debug it by ourselves. So it basically it helps us to challenge like solve the problem. Like debugging is a very crucial issue in the development part, which I feel.
Okay. Last question. Uh, in Express, there is a concept middleware. Are you aware of
Yes.
that concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me about what is middleware and types of middleware?
uh, Sir, middleware is a function which we can write before hitting to the any of the request. Like since we have built a like a login authentication part, and we have built a like profile edit API, and we only want that user who is authenticated or who has our like JSON web token can only visit to the profile edit part. So that can be done with the help of middleware, which we simply write down the API edit like post API directly, and it is going to check like validate our token whether the user is valid or not. If the user is validated, that middleware has a function of next, so it is going to call the next function. So it will directly hit to the post API, post edit API. So right now user can edit his post. So middleware basically checks like it keeps like the like helps in monitoring whether the user is valid or not. With the help of simply we can write down before the like hitting our request to the server.
Okay. Hey, hi Shruti, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm
Okay,
hearing, sir.
perfect. Can you introduce yourself, Shruti?
Yeah, yes, sir. Hi, everyone. I'm Shruti, and I'm from Coimbatore, and I'm completed my BE Civil Engineering in 2021. And on campus, I got into TCS. There, I have been worked as an assistant system engineer for 2 years. After that, I came here in now. I'm currently working in one startup, SaaS Impex, for 2 plus years as a Java developer. Currently, I'm looking forward to change the company. That's why, sir.
Okay. Why you are looking to change the company?
It's actually it's a startup company. I have been here for more than 2 plus years, and now the project is about to close. Actually, from Chennai, I came here because of some personal commitments. Now I settled down all, and I'm preparing to explore next
Okay.
opportunities, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is your current CTC and expected CTC?
So currently I'm getting around 5.6 LPA, sir, and I'm expecting around 20 to 30 percentage hike, sir, and it's completely negotiable. I'm open to discuss with HR.
Okay. And what is your preferred locations?
So now I'm okay with any locations. My preferred locations, I could say Coimbatore, Bangalore, Chennai. Yeah, I'm okay to relocate, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's jump in some technical part. Can you tell me, as you working on Java from 2 plus years, how does HashMap work internally? Are you aware of this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, how does hash map work internally?
Just a minute, sir. So, actually, will it is one of the stuff in. It is used to store elements in a key value pass in general. That is one of the interface in collections, and which is used as a, yeah, in general we can say it is store elements in a key value pass.
Okay, can you tell me deep copy versus shallow copy?
Sorry, sir.
There is a concept deep copy and shallow copy.
Deep coffee and shallow coffee. Sir, I'll try say this. In general, shallow copy creates an object as a reference from the original, but deep copy recursively copies all levels, all the stuffs from the original copy.
Okay, tell me, how do you design high traffic API? Are you have you in this scenario, you have to design one high traffic API? What is your approach in
Okay.
that?
Architecture I have been used.
So, tell me, how do you handle failure in production in startup
Hello.
once? Can you hear me, Shruti?
Hello.
Can you hear
Sir,
me?
yeah, sir. Now I'm able to hear you, sir. A little bit voice breaking, sir.
Okay, okay, no issue. Just tell
Sorry,
me
sir.
one scenario. If in startup in your current organization you have to deploy one major project on the production.
Okay.
So how do you handle failure in production? Plus, how do you design high traffic API? These are the two questions. Just give me answer.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, actually, if we face any issue in protection, means first we have to check the logs, and we have to check on where exactly the error is occurs. Then we have to identify, and we have to re-push in the Git, and then coming back to high traffic API, I don't have uh, an idea on that.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Fatima. I completed my BSc Computer Science in 2023 with 86 percentage. I completed a 6 months internship in Java and the MySQL domain, and I completed a Java full stack development course from Screens Technologies. My technical skills include Java, Spring Boot, MySQL, HTML, and CSS, sir. Currently, I'm looking for a job.
Okay. So, have you done any internship?
Yes, sir. I completed 6 months internship in Java and MySQL domain, sir.
Okay, is that paid or unpaid internship?
It's a paid, sir. They paid me around monthly 7K.
Okay. So currently, you are looking for a job and you are like fresher candidate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pass out in
2023.
your current location.
My current location is Chennai, sir.
Okay, and preferred location.
My preferred location is anyone like Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Hyderabad. Anyone I'm okay with that, sir.
Okay. So let's jump in some technical part. As you mentioned,
Okay.
you have completed like Java full stack. Can you tell
Yes, sir.
me why hash map allows one null key? Tell me, what is deadlock?
What is deadlock?
Yes. Okay. Let's come to some correlated mid-level questions. Can you tell me difference between abstract class and interface?
Abstract and interface.
Yes. What is garbage collection? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell
Sir,
me,
I didn't.
what is thread?
It is a lightweight process. Uh,
Okay. What is JWT authentication flow? Are you aware of this?
no, sir.
Okay. I think you need a brush up your skills related to Java. Hey, hi Shiva, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. So, can you tell me about yourself so that we can proceed in the technical part?
Okay, sir. Okay. So, myself, Shivadara Madhepalli, I'm recently graduated from Kakinada Institute of Engineering and Technology with a group of Computer Science of Engineering. So, as per my experience is, I'm recently done with the Menstech for on site. So, this is all about me.
Okay. So, have you done any internship?
Yes, sir. I'm recently done with Menstech, sir.
Monstack.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is MongoDB?
MongoDB is a database, sir.
Okay.
So, it is a analyzed to store a data set.
Okay. So, in
Right.
Monstack, there is E, which stands for Express.js, right?
Yes, sir. The Express JS it will be denoted by API, sir, to
Okay.
backend. So to backend to support for Node.js.
In that, there is one concept, middleware. Are you aware of that concept?
What's that?
In Express.js, there is one concept called middleware.
Middleware. No,
Are you
sir. I
aware of
don't know.
that?
No, sir.
Okay. So, can you tell me about React?
So React is a user interface. So it is a denoted by front end development, sir. So it also frameworks also available like NestJS, v.js.
Okay. What are
So
props in React.js?
what's it?
There are concepts props in React.js. Are you aware of that?
No, sir. No.
Prop, state, hooks, use effect. Are you aware of these concepts or no?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Well, your year of pass out?
Yes, sir. I'm 2025 pass. Recently passed.
26.
25, sir.
25. Okay. So, Shiva, you need to prepare the basic concepts related to Monstack
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
because we have a client who's looking for the mean or Monstack developers, but they need like candidates who has ready to join projects. They will not provide any training. They will add on the main projects and you have to work on that projects, but you don't have a basic knowledge about what is React props and use effect hooks are there. At least try
Yes, sir.
to learn something basic and implement some projects related to Monstack. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And once you are ready, just let our team know that you are ready. We will take one more mock interview related to Monstack developer, but make sure to prepare well. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And prepare related to Node.js.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So, yes, sir. I am recently prepared for. I recently started for the JavaScript, sir.
Okay.
So, to prepare for every interview related.
Right, right, right. See, if you are ready in JavaScript, there is like small things need to learn about like MERN stack. If you are aware of all JavaScript concepts, you will get no React, Node.js plus Express and Mongo. There is no need to worry about it, but make sure to prepare advanced level of JavaScript because once you prepare for JavaScript, you will work as a backend developer. You will work in a mobile development as well as a React frameworks are there, and you will also work as a front end developer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So learn from scratch to advanced level and implement projects and push that project to GitHub so that recruiters can see the live projects and they will like reach out to you. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Perfect. Thanks for joining, Shiva. We'll connect soon once you are ready for the next mock interview. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You can leave now. Okay.